There are many pruning saw products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best pruning saws from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. wltoy 12-inch, rating 4.5, fit for heavy work, powerful and strong enough, can cut through branches with 6 diameter with ease. Very efficient for various outdoor work as camping, pruning shrubs and trees, hiking, tree trimming, garden work, landscaping, etc. wltoy large tree trimming saw with SK5 material, flexible and durable, triple sharpened blade been hardened for extra durability, can cut fast and accurate in all direction, pull or push, not only fit for green wood, also fit for dry wood, can cut through wood plastic easily, folding pruning saw with rubber handle to cover the sharp blade, also have button to lock the blade in position firmly when open and closed. It also take much smaller room, easy to carry for outdoor work. Number 4. REXBETTY folding saw, rating 4.6, durable SK5 steel blade for efficient cutting during camping, survival, bushcraft, landscaping and general yard work. Heavy-duty rugged 8 long blade helps you power through thick branches faster. 8 blade is ideal for cutting 4-5 diameter branches. Aggressive staggered teeth 7 TPI, allows ultra-smooth and sharp sawing. Comfortable and longer rubber-coated polymer handle, ensures a firm grip in any weather condition. Number 3. Pruning saw with scabbard, rating 4.6. Triple ground blades come from Akata Hardware's Z-Saw brand, made of SK5 steel. Hand saws have several advantages, including resistance to rust, good edge retention, and excellent flexibility. This makes them well suited for a variety of projects, such as precision cuts and intricate shapes. Pruning saws are designed to be used with one hand. These hand saws have an ergonomically shaped handle for comfort, a rubber non-slip grip, and a hooked shape to the end of the handle, which will help prevent the hand from slipping off the saw as you're cutting. Fixed blades have carry scabbards to keep sharp teeth out of the way when not in use. Or use a hanging hole on the end of the handle, is handy for storing your saw safely away. Number 2. Corona Tools 18-inch, rating 4.8, removes 2x more material. Razor tooth saw technology, 18 blade is ideal for cutting branches up to 9 to 10 in diameter. Maximum sharpness, each tooth is triple ground, providing multifaceted angles to maximize efficiency of cuts and removal of wood. Unbeatable strength. High carbon Japanese SK5 steel blade provides exceptional hardness, extreme durability. Impulse hardened teeth and a heat-treated blade make it last season after season. Smooth action. Chrome finish coat provides smooth cutting action and blade resilience. Number 1. Corona Tools 10-inch, rating 4.8. Razor tooth saw technology removes significantly more material per pull stroke than conventional blades. Finish cutting up to 2x faster. 3-sided razor teeth, efficiently cut limbs up to 6 in diameter. High carbon steel blade made of Japanese SK5 steel for long-lasting sharpness. Maximum durability and hardness. Each blade goes through 4 manufacturing processes, increasing hardness and reducing friction. Easy to lock, folding blade conceals teeth and prevents injury. Centered lock allows for right or left hand activation. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products, as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.